If you think that 5G phones are expensive, then the POCO M3 Pro will definitely change your mind. Selling for an early bird price of just about 7,000 pesos, this phone can give you blazing 5G speeds and more. So in this video, we will unbox the POCO M3 Pro and see if there really is more to this phone than just 5G. So inside the box, you have the POCO stickers, the user guides, a silicone case, the phone of course, a 22.5 watt charging brick, and a USB Type A to Type C cable. The POCO M3 Pro's display is a 6.5-inch IPS LCD dot display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It has a 5000 mAh battery and charging from 0 to 100% would take around 2 hours. The phone has a triple camera setup at the back with a 48 megapixel camera as its main shooter, complemented by a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And at the front you have the 8 megapixel selfie camera, which I am using right now to record this video. As its main selling point, the POCO M3 Pro is capable of 5G connections, which is a rarity for phones below 10,000 pesos. The POCO M3 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip, which can handle your daily tasks easily and surprisingly performs decently when it comes to heavy games such as PUBG and Genshin Impact. So the first thing to remember when considering this phone is that you are basically buying an entry-level 5G phone, and with that in mind, the POCO M3 Pro can give you more for its price. Of course, it won't give you more if you compare it to mid-range phones, but comparing it to its brother, the POCO M3, it will give you more speed in terms of internet connection as well as more speed in terms of performance. I only had this phone for a few hours and I'll post another video to check how the POCO M3 Pro fares in real-world use. But so far, I really like how POCO, or Xiaomi for that matter, was able to squeeze in as much features as possible for a mere 7,000 pesos. So with that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.